Running a business is an extremely complex endeavor, and most of the textbooks that we use train students and business leaders to solve structured problems where the problem is defined for them already. When we talk to business leaders, we hear that they need a lot more. They need students and leaders who are able to frame problems that are not structured for them already. We've tried to remedy this problem by creating a game, Biz Hero, that allows students and business leaders to try their hypotheses, to learn to frame problems, and to diagnose changing situations. And all that simulates running a real business.
Biz Hero is kind of like fantasy baseball for business, except instead of managing a group of players, you're managing a group of executives. So in fantasy baseball and in real baseball, there's a defined winner. There's a way to win. The team with the most wins or the fantasy team with the most points gets declared the winner at the end of the year. You don't see that in business. There's not an end of the year awards that says this business is the champion of all businesses. So the point of business is that you have to create a sustainable business that's going to be successful in ways that allow you to stay in business, but also to achieve the goals that you want to achieve.
In Biz Hero, you play the role of a CEO. And in Biz Hero, it's more than just about making money, making profits. You have to take care of the business. There's so many aspects of the business you have to take care of. There's operations, there's human resource, there's marketing, there's your inventory, and then there's a community that you are in.
Within the game, all these different areas interact. And so you may have an issue that's showing up in your human resources area that as you dig into the issue, it actually turns out to be a problem with your operations or some of your community investments. The key is that you're going to have to look across these different areas for each of these issues. There's not going to be one lever that you can pull and spend a certain amount of money and fix everything. The good thing about the game is it allows you to kind of investigate these different issues and maybe make a few mistakes in how you solve them and do it in a simulated environment instead of doing this in the real world where these mistakes may have some serious consequences.
We recently ran a pilot with 90 students, staff, and faculty from the Darden School of Business. And from that, we learned that the underlying model really works. We're raising $15,000 to improve the user interface and get ready for beta launch, which we'll make available to our early backers. Biz Hero allows you the experience to understand what it's like to run a business, to understand the different functional areas within a business, and we hope they'll have fun doing it.
It really is fun.